The SIVGA Robin SV021 was an adventure to test and use because there are so many things here that SIVGA has done right, yet a few things that are a bit questionable. Physically, the Robin SV021 is both sleek and strong. Its dark wood exterior is combined with a robust metal frame and plush ear cups. There is virtually no movement noises and everything is held firmly together. On my head, which is quite large, I enjoyed its light 275-gram weight, and I feel it could stay on my head for long periods. I appreciate the included removable cable with a spring at the end to protect the wire, as well as the carrying pouch. In terms of listening experience, these headphones provide a fun V-shaped sound with sufficient amounts of bass and sharp bright trebles. This tuning also makes for a larger soundstage. However, there are two flaws that affect both the physical design and the musical performance. The first is the lack of any rotation on the ear cups, which means if the Robin SV021 is positioned even slightly off your ears, there is a bit of a gap. Unless you have no curvature in your head, this will likely happen with nearly any movement, leading to an unstable fit and causing you to make small adjustments constantly. This affects the sound quality too, as the lack of a full seal alters how the headphones sound. Secondly, there are notable peaks and dips throughout its frequency response, which negatively impact the layering of these frequencies and result in a less balanced and detailed sound. Additionally, there is some sibilance that leads to listening fatigue over time. At the time of the review, the SIVGA Robin SV021 is available for $150, which is quite reasonable for what you get. Altogether, there are many positive aspects of the Robin SV021, but I would have liked to see a bit more tonal balance and physical flexibility for SIVGA's next pair of headphones. I'd love to hear what you think of these wired headphones in the comments down below.